Richard says she's live, so she's lying. Yeah, I know, boss. That's what they say about me. But I don't care. Yesterday I said something about like Ebblyn going in a chat behind Jeff like a dog in heat. She's saying that in the chats she goes in. I would not be saying that. I would not be saying, I would say hi to Jeff, but I'm like a dog in heat. I just wouldn't say that. I don't know. Oh, I didn't even realize how bad it sounded, but I wouldn't say that, would you?
No.
It
Embarrassing.
just spreads it further. It just spreads it further. Jeez. Well, Melly, me and Howie,
Oh,
we called
honey.
you up and we tried to warn you because we knew how, well, we knew how much they were lying, for one, but we knew how much trouble Sweet Wheat was, too. She had really, really, really tried to hurt Howie and me, but, well, everybody tries to hurt me, but to just go at Howie for no reason, I could never understand that. Well, yeah, Melly, now I'm sure that information's everywhere. And LB has my information, Mary's, Howie's. She has Gary's, Jeff's, Evelyn's, Dana's. Help me remember, Mary. I mean, she didn't dox people online, but she knows Sweet Wheats, Angie's. I'm trying to think who she knows Spoofs. She knows Spookats, which was surprising. I had no idea. I don't even know why she got that. Then she has.
I wouldn't know. I don't I mean, I sure don't have all those. But I don't.
No, I don't either. She would text me. This whole business, I would text her in the middle of the night and get her up. I didn't do that. I did not. I got text all night from her. I was telling Mary I didn't even know when the woman slept. Ever. She looked up, this is why I think she knew Rabini. She looked up people called Azray, Azray, I don't know how you say it. God, I'd have to go look. Let me see if I can find it.
That's who started Asgab. It's
Oh, is it?
Azray. Yeah, that's who started Asgab. He was a friend of MV's who had Belgab. And then when that ended, Azray broke off and started Asgab.
That's correct. That's correct, 100%. And
Good
hey,
Lord.
sir,
Hi,
what?
Richard.
Hi, sorry. Let's get straight into it. If Angie is moving the thing that's attached to her face, they call a mouth, she's lying. I mean, it's that simple. I'm not even saying that with malice or anger or anything like that. She's a liar. Now that we've got that out of the way, hello, Mary, Pandora, my leader. I bow to you.
Thanks a lot, Richard.
We
You're
bow to
nuts.
you, Sir Richard.